Okay, see, uh, first now just take your pencil and draw a curved line, okay, and then a curved line from here, okay. Then what you have to do, see, a curved line from here and a curved line from here, then join this, okay, and then make it double, this part also make it double, and then just make a curved line like this, okay. Yes, curve from here and curve from here, there will be that line, okay, and a line from here and a slanting line from here, okay, and then just join this like this, okay. It's very easy. And then now from here just make a line, okay, like this. Let's curve from here and little curve from here, okay. And here the that cup handle is left, so we will do that first line and then second line. But the twist is that, see, we have to rub it here, erase it here and here, okay. We will make a curve from here and curve from here, okay. There is a twist. And even you can draw the inside line also like this, double, make it double and make it here also double line, okay. Over. So we have done the outline. So before doing color, just we will make the cup lighter, okay. We will make the cup lighter. Simple. Just take a hold your eraser like this and make it lighter. And one more thing, just whenever you draw, just hold your pencil with a gap, okay. Don't hold your pencil like this and draw, then you will draw very darkly, okay. Hold your pencil like this and then draw, okay. It's very easy. So now just I will do the first color, red color, okay. Do the red color first and I will start the red from here, okay. And before you using any color, just check it's clean or not, then do it, okay. Otherwise this will happen. Okay, curve line. Here also you can put that red. Do it lightly, anyhow, just do it, okay. And then just I will do the medium yellow, okay. I will do the medium yellow here. It's the medium yellow. First I have done the primary red, now medium yellow. Medium yellow, and here going to do the medium yellow. And again you can use red color over here. do it properly. Okay, don't leave any white dot. Now we will just take out the orange color. Okay, orange. Now we will blend the red color. Wherever we have done the red, just we will blend it. Very easy and very simple drawing. Try it. Okay, definitely you will make it. It's very easy. It's very simple drawing. Okay, and now see, just take your light blue. Okay, it's a light blue color, and slowly just with the light pressure. Okay, with the light pressure we will make the lining. Okay, like this with the light pressure, very light pressure. Okay, very light pressure. Hold your color from the back, means hey, here also if you are not able to do light, then hold your color from the back, then do it like this. It will come light. Okay, sorry. Now see, just take your gray color. Okay, gray, and do the gray over here, lining. Okay, lightly, okay, and then just blend it. And gray here also. And then just take your little bit brown. Okay, brown color here, over here, just do some brown over here. Okay, little bit. Okay, little bit brown, and blend it with deep yellow. Okay, it will look like tea inside. Okay, and then just take your glass marker. Okay, just take your glass marker, and with the glass marker just border this. Okay, one by one, just try to border this, then it will look very nice. Okay, okay, just make the border. Okay, and then just take your pink color. Okay, it's a fluorescent pink, and then do the lining like this, fluorescent pink, and here over here fluorescent pink. Okay, fluorescent pink. Now it's over. Okay, thank you for getting more videos and this thing. Just like and subscribe our channel.